Good morning, my dear children. I am Savita Anand, your teacher from Sanskriti School. Children, are you taking good care of yourself? Nowadays it is hot right outside, right, children? It's summer season, no? So take good care of yourself. Okay. So I have this thing with me. You remember these cards? I wrote some letters, and in this white colored cards, I wrote some sight words. So can we quickly revise them, children? Okay. See Dolly is also here. She's also sitting here because she loves learning with you. So she's here. Hello, Dolly. Good morning. Good morning, Dolly. So Dolly's sitting here and she's paying attention just like you. So children, these are some sight words. I told you that you have to learn to read them. How are you supposed to read them? You are not going to use these phonic sounds to read them. No, you can't read them that way. You have to just look at them, remember them, read it and put it down. Again take it, read it and put it down. So let's do it again. I'm sure you all remember the words. O. An. Correct. And an. Very good. Clap for yourself. You remember them. Let's shuffle them and let's quickly read them one more time. An. And oh. Wow. That's great, children. You are done with the sight words. And now let's revise the sounds of different letters that you have learnt already in LKG, but we are just going to revise them. So shall I show you these flashcards and will you say the sound? Oh, last time also we did that. And before last time also we did the same thing. So that's so boring, isn't it? Doing the same thing with the same cards. So children, let's do something interesting. Yes, I'm not going to use these cards today. I have made some very interesting game today. Very fun game. Shall I show you? Okay. So let me show you, children. I have made this a kind of a game here. And what is this? Oh, it looks like a big ladder to me, and there are so many letters here and there written. Can you see them clearly, children, or shall I keep it little closer to you? Yes. Dolly, you sit here so that you can also see. Okay, with my children. So children, the game, shall I explain you what the game is? The game is, I will show my pointer finger to each of these letters. And you have to tell me the sound and you also have to do the action. Children, I can't do the action because my hands are not free. I can't do the action. I have to hold this box and I have to show my pointer finger, right? So I will only show you the letter and you will tell me the sound of all these letters. And while doing it, we will slowly climb up on the ladder, and once we reach here, there is a surprise for you. So are you ready for that surprise? Yes. So be attentive, children, be alert and look here and tell me the sound. Shall I begin? Okay, we will start from here. Correct. Wow. E. Pa. Kicking and curling. D. G. O. A. B. J, 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 j. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wa, wa, wa. V, v, v. And the last one, children, we have come to the top. The last letter. Qua, 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 qua. Wow, children, clap for yourself. You have said all these sounds. Wonderful. And I told you that there's a surprise for you. Are you ready to see that surprise? Yes? Yeah. There's a surprise inside. It's coming out, coming out. Come, 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 come. Ah, come out, surprise. Hey, this is the surprise for you. Okay, what is there? I can see an orange and I can see a pack of biscuits. You all love to eat that, isn't it, children? Yes. So, oh, but you can only see it, of course. I know you can't have it, but children, you can do the same kind of play a game, Hannah, and mommy and daddy can do this for you. Okay, mom and dad, will you do this for my children? Huh? Please do this activity for them. Let them play and let them learn at the same time, and let them get some goodie in the end. But even if, my dear children, if you are not able to read some of the letters and say the sound, it's okay, right? You will still get the goodie. Okay, mom and dad, please ensure that my children get the goodie in the end. Hannah, because they are all are trying. They all are trying to learn the sounds. Even if some of them don't know them, they can learn it very fast. Huh? Okay? Yes, children. So how was the game? Did you enjoy it? I enjoyed a lot. You know, I enjoyed making it and I also enjoyed playing it with you. Oh, I'm so happy, children. Yes? Okay, bachas. So, see you again, and let me go and think of some other interesting game for you, right? By the time you also go and start making this nice game and play this game, right? Okay, my dear children, have a nice day. Goodbye.